Today's video demonstrates the integration of S10 applications into the Fiori Launchpad. We review the basic structure of the Launchpad and illustrate the use of dynamic tiles. On the one hand, tiles can be links to apps that are embedded in the Launchpad. On the other hand, tiles can also display dynamic information determined with the help of ABAP methods. Let's first log on to the Launchpad as Julia Marchetti, an employee from the sales department. The opening screen displays a number of tiles summarizing up-to-date information on Julia's customers, including the next customer appointment, open offers and orders, sales data, etc. Some of the tiles refer to all of Julia's customers. Others refer only to the last selected customer. These tiles act as links, for example, to Fiori apps or S10 applications. Here we can call up a standard Fiori app program to list customer orders. We can also open S10 applications by clicking on tiles in the Launchpad. In this case, we have a tile labeled Delivery Problems. Upon initiating the app, a list of orders with ongoing delivery problems is displayed. Within S10 applications, it is possible to call up Fiori apps or standard transactions. For example, VA23 display order, showing all the details for this sales order. The S10 framework can be set up to regularly update the data for dynamic tiles using ABAP methods. Here, several key performance indicators, or KPIs, are prominently presented. Diverse KPIs can be chosen. For example, the number of open orders and the sales turnover in the last 12 months. Additionally, dynamically updated information can include text, symbols, colored highlights, and trends. In this example, we can see that the sales volume has increased by 27% in the last 12 months. This KPI is highlighted using a green upward pointing arrow and a green font. Tiles for S10 applications are largely created using SAP standard functions. Although we don't want to delve into the technical details in this video, we do want to highlight an essential step in this process. All dynamic information, be it for the KPIs, the text, or font, relies on one generic S10 service. The service receives the name of an ABAP method as the input parameter, and then returns the data in the form required by the Fiori Launchpad for dynamic tiles. The advantage of this procedure is that the service only needs to be created once, and only one ABAP method has to be implemented. Changes in the method are easy to make and quickly executed. As an example, we have the tile displaying the number of orders with delivery problems. The ABAP method uses a CDS view and returns the number of records found. Furthermore, the font color is changed to orange when the number of orders with a delivery problem is greater than 0. S10 applications can also be called up in any browser via a URL without using the Launchpad. This works because the apps are made available as a service in the ITS, the SAP Internet Transaction Server. In order for an S10 app to also run embedded in the Launchpad, the URL must also be specified as a link for the Fiori tile in the system. Further parameters can also be specified. For example, to have a specific view or tab called up immediately upon starting the app. In closing, we want to emphasize that it is the high performance of the S/4HANA that makes compelling, detailed, and dynamically updated data analyses possible. The connection between Tiles and the S10 framework allows ABAP developers to quickly access all the required data from the system, be it through function modules, reading tables, or high-performance CDS views. In short, software developers can access everything that modern object-oriented ABAP has to offer.